Welcome to Trial of Coding Python. Code your way to mastery, one step at a time. We are learning inbuilt functions in Python series, and today's function is square root. The sqrt function in Python is used to calculate the square root of a number. The square root of a number is a value that, when multiplied by itself, gives the original number. Using square root from the math module, the syntax is sqrt. Let us see how it's used now. To use the square root function, we have to import the library math. Here in this example, the variable x is assigned a value 25 for which the square root needs to be found. The output is passed to the variable result, and the variable result is printed, which is 5. This function works for non-negative numbers and returns a float. To calculate square roots of negative numbers, use the CMath module. CMath module is designed for complex mathematics, so it works with all real numbers, whether positive, 0, or negative. The key points are: CMath.squareRoot never raises an error for negative numbers. It always returns a complex number. Even for positive numbers, the result includes 0j. If it's an array, use NumPy. NumPy.squareRoot works on arrays, unlike Math.squareRoot, which works on single values. The result is an array of floating point numbers. Very useful in scientific computing, data analysis, and machine learning. If the numbers in the array contains negative numbers, using complex numbers returns result. Here are 3 common ways to handle negative numbers when using NumPy.squareRoot. First one is filter only non-negative values. This method is useful when negative values should be ignored. Second is replacing nan with 0 or another value. Useful when you want to keep array size unchanged. Third is using complex numbers. This method is recommended for math and science. And it's best when negative values are meaningful. More learnings to come. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe for more such videos. This is Trial of Coding. Code your way to mastery, one step at a time.